I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Pubg screen recording FPS test in the Realme X8 Max 2. As you can see, friends, so this is a Realme X8 Max, and this is a question which was asked by a couple of subscribers. And recently, I did receive plenty of messages on this screen recording using the Realme X8 Max while playing Pubg game. As you can see, friends, is a message which I got recently. As you can see, so this is what I thought of doing before sleeping today. So just to upload this kind of video on the Realme X8 Max, which a lot of users are actually thinking of buying this smartphone, but they are really hesitating to buy because of the performance got not that optimized. But let's see, while you're using the screen recording, how much temperatures the phone can actually increase. That is also another thing which I'll be trying to focus, and how much the FPS we can actually maintain. So this is a 8GB RAM variant which I'm trying to do use in this kind of testing. Let me try to open the Pubg game right now. So it should be somewhere around here. So yes, it is a Pubg game. And before that, let me show you exactly the screen recording settings what I'm trying to use. So is the screen recording settings, friends, as you can see. So right now you do have the option of using the record system sound or record microphone sound. You can enable one or you can enable both as well. So there is another good advantage. So next is the video resolution. So I'll try to include this screen recording directly. So make sure to watch the screen recording, how is the experience as well. So in terms of the video resolution, by default it will be set to the high, but later on you can actually customize. So you can actually select what type of bitrate you want. Right now I did select the 1080 at 4 bitrate. This is a kind of normal medium size bitrate. This should be kind of fine. So next, regarding the frame rates. So in terms of the frame rates, there's an option which is called the dynamic. It's 30 fps or 24 fps or 15 fps as well, as you can see, friends. So dynamic means if the game supports 60 fps, then definitely the video will be recorded at 60. If the game supports 90, the video will be recorded at 90. That is what the dynamic means. So let me try to use the dynamic in this kind of testing, and let me try to play the game, the Pubg game. Let's see what will be the FPS we can actually get in this Realme X8 Max device as well. Let me try to open the Pubg game, and before starting the game, the temperature is about right now 34 degrees, and my room temperature is of 31 degrees. So there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. As you can see, friends, 34 degrees, 31 and 34. So with the Pubg, friends, one thing is that I'll try to use the smooth and ultra settings only. Unfortunately, there is no smooth and extreme settings in this phone. So that's a totally disappointment, because the software optimization, sorry friends, you do get the smooth and extreme settings, but not the balance and extreme, not the HD and extreme. So these are the few settings which are actually missing. So let me try to use the smooth and ultra, smooth and extreme settings only during this time of demonstration purpose. Let me just select quickly the match. Let's see what will happen. Let me try to drop exactly in the boot camp if possible. So let's see, I'm trying to use the real-time FPS meter which is built in, as you can see, friends. So right now let me try to start the recording as well. There should be an option which is called a screen recording by tapping on this option. So now we'll be able to record. So let me try to do that first. So right now the screen recording has been started successfully, and you should be able to hear my voice from the phone itself. Let me try to start moving around. And you can see the real-time FPS meter as well on the built-in which is present in this Realme X8 Max. And using the real-time FPS meter, I'm getting about right now 60 FPS. So let me try to start. Let's check what will be the boot camp FPS drop test. That is another thing which is really interesting. So right now I'm trying to use the screen recording and trying to play the game at the same time. And while using the screen recording, you do get this kind of option where you can actually pause the screen recording as well. That's a really good thing. So if you want, you can pause the screen recording without any kind of problems. Let's see, friends, what will happen when I try to drop exactly. I'll be focusing on the real-time FPS meter as well, how much I'll be able to get during this time of testing. Right now I cannot feel any kind of lag at this point, any kind of stuck or anything. So let's see now how much I'm getting. So 58. So right now it's been only 2 minutes of playing the game continuously, using the smooth and extreme settings only at this point. And the real time FPS meter, I'm getting about 59 FPS meter, no problem. As you can see, 59, 57. So 56, 60 FPS. So next time I'll try to use the third party FPS meter as well. So right now for the just 3 minutes of gaming, the temperature increased to 38 degrees right now. 39 degrees, but not much. 39 degrees just for the few minutes of gaming. So friends, the gaming was really great. It's not that problematic at this point, but I need to use the third party FPS meter to test the is there any kind of FPS drop or not. So which I'll be doing on later. But this is the basic, just a screen recording and the playing at same time test overall. So we do have the 4D vibration option, but it's not working in the PUBG game. Unfortunately, I'm not sure why it's not working in the PUBG game. So that's it, friend. This is a quick review after playing the PUBG game for about, I think, close to 6 to 7 minutes. As you can see, the temperature increased to 41 degrees right now, just for only 5 to 6 minutes of time. 41 degrees, as you can clearly see, friends. So yes, the dimensity 1200 is slightly much intense in terms of the heating. I'm trying to use only the normal percentage, maybe close to 60% of the brightness, and I'm trying to use the screen recording as well. So maybe that is the reason why the temperature is slightly higher in this phone at this point. That must be another reason. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I'll definitely do plenty of testing in the future. In case if you have any other doubts regarding the smartphone, so don't hesitate to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.